And just good evening, Karen, your family, and all the guests on Alliance Church. Um, Tonight's the last night to have here and gather to just celebrate my Nia's life. I just have a few words here to share with the family. So just excuse me, guests, and everyone else if this may take long. But I just have a couple words to just share with the family right now. The theme this weekend that we've been hearing over and over again has been love. And we think, like, I just sit here for 1 second and just think, what is love? What does love mean to me? To you? What is love? And then we take a look at your mom's life, your auntie's life, grandma's life, Ponya's life. I think we find the definition of love very easily. I think we discover, like, whoa, that's what love is. Ponya's life, everything she did, everything she's done for all of us, just everything that was said. When she was hungry, she said, "Oh, cô chai pla ta shi, cô cho mình nhỏ chai pla thia, cho rong một nó, cô chai cô chỉ nó cô pura cô cho mình nhỏ nó, là nó không thế, cô chỉ muốn nhớ là, cô chỉ sinh giữ to cho, cô cho biết đó cô biết pura là, cô mà cô chỉ chơi cái gì nó." Cô cho biết đoàn của bố đâu là bác sĩ cô cho biết đoàn của bố đâu cũng chơi whole bio Eric Rena Eric two things that stuck out to me was that proves her love too again was just her drive, her initiative to take care of the family. She has a family of children, and she thinks to herself, oh, you think about that, like, I'm gonna go make some brooms and sell brooms. I think I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that for my family so they can eat. And then she gets here to the States and she's like, oh, and what does she do? He used to bandao, mo bandao rồi cả tối phải nia, là ba chân này. So we see all those things that your mom did for you guys, and like Alex said this morning, the Alex tied this morning, huh? Alex like that. Linh nhỉ, vợ chịu bưu. Bây lần nè, là rôn đây tên nó, nhờ vì cha. Vì có bé bỏ vật chữ cho cái lưu, có bé bỏ vật chữ cho cái lưu lòng này, hố bên nè lưu xe, lưu chữ tan thọ, cho the king. Tan thọ là the king. I just want you guys to imagine one thing here real quickly. My dad shared that my own and they were gonna do a celebration for your mom's recovery, right? So your mom's probably thinking like, oh, tôi chỉ muốn tôi cái bây giờ họ bây giờ muốn celebrate, rồi họ cũng rong ở lâu, bỏ bắt chữ lâu, rong hành bây giờ muốn celebrate của tôi chỉ tôi cái, chắc cái của mo. And she's thinking as she's sitting in the car, and she's excited about the upcoming celebration. And she's thinking about seeing everyone here she wanted to see at her celebration. And then she says, what am I going to say? I think I know what I'm gonna say. What am I gonna say? And then she feels like something's out of place. Achichiyola. Ocha kuja holuchena achichiyola. Ocha oa. Ocha luche like ke pa ni pok ke iluche iluche la yon dokene. In that split second, in that instant moment, just imagine this. Imagine maybe she cried out to God. This on the book but you. Talk a little say good Yaminyo. Tapulo to that you know. Check your sin dokina. But you saved them. Save them. My life for theirs. Maybe she said that. My life for theirs. My life for theirs. And God said, I love you. I love you, daughter. You've been an obedient child of mine. I love you. I will answer your prayer. So for maybe, and this is just maybe, but we have 3 lives spared and 1 life gone. 1 life gone. Isn't that just the example of your mom's whole life? Putting you guys first? Putting you guys first before her own protection, her own safety. Trade. I don't know, God, just protect us from this car accident. So that reminds me, again, the resemblance of and then I think back 2,000 years ago. And what's great is someone already came here 2,000 years ago to do the same thing. To save all of our lives. To die for our sins. His name is Jesus Christ. He died on the cross to save us 2,000 years ago. And in that example again, how Alex said, God shows his love through our mothers. God showed us that same love to save all of our lives. He exchanged 1 person to save the 3 lives for that 1 person. That was his son, Jesus Christ. Because that's a temporary thing that God did to save your life during that accident, but eternally he sent his son to save us so that we may have entrance to that kingdom one day. And I believe as your mom was preparing for that celebration, for her recovery, I think the things that she was planning to say to all of us was how important God was to her in her life. How God was everything to her. God was the key to her recovery. And she wanted to share that with everyone. So she said, but I believe when that day would have came, she would have said, guys, and on top of that, I think that's what your mom wanted to say. I know that's what your mom wanted to say. I got 1 verse here to read, and then I'm gonna do my song here. I just want to share this verse with you guys. This is from Revelation 21. This is the last book of the Bible. It talks about the future things. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and earth had ceased to exist. And the sea existed no more. And I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, descending out of heaven from God, made ready like a bride adorned for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, look, the residence of God is among human beings. He will live among them, and they will be his people, and God himself will be with them. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes, and death will exist no more, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the former things have ceased to exist. And the one seated on the throne said, look, I am making all things new. all things new, all things new. Then he said to me, write it down because these words are reliable and true. That's why it's right here in this book. He also said to me, it is done. I am the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. To the one who is thirsty, I will give water free of charge. Free of charge. So like Alex said earlier, imagine your mom standing at the door and she says, come on guys, I want to see you guys again. And this verse said it right there, clearly. It's free of charge. It's a free gift for us to accept. A free gift, guys. And your mom's at that door, and my mom's at that door, and right there with him is Jesus. 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 So grab that door, seek that door. It's hard to find, and it's gonna be hard to find, guys. It's gonna be very hard to find. Ask God to help you find that door and find that path. I'm gonna share my song now.
Cảm ơn.
Mỗi tuổi niên thọ văn chương